Are you competing with other buyers on your dream home, or do you want to make sure you've got the best chance at getting your offer accepted? Well, you're watching the right video. These 3 buyer tips are going to be sure to help you. Hi, I'm Cece Summerfield with eXp Realty. I've helped hundreds of buyers get their dream home, so I know how scary it can be and how excited you can get. It's my job to help you get your dream home. So here are a few tips. Number 1, make sure you've offered a competitive price on the home. If there are multiple offers and you are able to do so, remove the appraisal or the loan contingency. But make sure you know what the risks are in doing so. Number 2, put down a larger earnest money deposit. It shows that you are serious about purchasing the home. It also shows you have money and are more likely to be qualified to purchase. Be sure not to remove your loan or appraisal contingencies until you are absolutely certain that you are fully approved to purchase the home and the underwriter has given full approval. Otherwise, you could stand to lose that deposit. What if you don't have enough money for a large down payment? Well, maybe you can remove some of your other contingencies. For example, maybe you've seen the inspections and know the house is in great shape. You could remove your inspection contingency. Or you've been through the entire approval process and you have DU approval. Then you can remove your loan contingency so that your offer looks stronger. Number 3, let the seller know that you have not written offers on any other properties, you've verified the taxes and taken them into consideration when it comes to your payment, and let them know that you are going to be as reasonable as possible in regards to repairs and requests once you go into escrow. Write them a personal letter identifying specific things in the home that you love and include a family picture. Believe it or not, all of this helps, especially if the seller has an emotional attachment to the home. Hey, listen, there are so many more tips that I could show you, but it would take too long. Give me a call and let me assist you in getting you into your dream home. And don't forget, it doesn't cost you anything to work with me. The seller pays for my fee, but I'm here to protect your best interest.